So introduction to the project. So we are UITM student developing a student counselor system to support student mental health and counseling services. This project applies our skills in database design, PHP development, and system documentation. So our past projects in MySQL, ERD design, and CRAC systems have prepared us to build a practical and user-friendly solution. Hi, Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 10 from the class IMS560 ST1, and in this video, I will be presenting our project that titled Student Counselor System. So this system helps students easily connect with campus counselor, book session, and provide feedback all online. So, we will start by logging in as a student. Student can either register by filling in their personal information or log in directly if they already have an account. Now, once you log in, the student dashboard will appear where students can manage their profile and access counselor service. So from here, the student can click on book appointment. They will see a list of available counselor along with their specialization and availability. So in a book and appointment, they will have a list like appointment date, appointment time, purpose, locations, notes, and select the counselor. From the select counselor, the student can choose their favorite counselor that they want. And the notes is student also can put a notes. It's optional. So when they click a button book appointment, they will book a appointment lah. So now back to the dashboard. Now is a student feedback, which is student feedback submissions. After the session is complete, the student will log back in and submit the feedback, and they will rate, which is satisfaction rating 1 until 5. Now they can click the submit feedback and go back to the dashboard. And this is a profile of the students. They will show the list of profile the student account lah. So now back to the dashboard and click the logout. And now we will start by logging in as a counselor. Counselor also can either register by filling in their personal information or log in directly if they already have an account. Now select a role as a counselor. And once you log in, the counselor dashboard will appear where student counselor can manage their profile and access. They also have upcoming appointments and feedback received. Now click my profile. This is a profile of the counselor. They also can update their profile. Now back to the dashboard. And this is set availability schedule where counselor can set their availability by date and time, such as their availability is by Wednesday and Thursday only. Now back to the dashboard. Click on the appointments table. This is appointment tables, which is show the list of upcoming appointments and show the status, which is complete or scheduled. And we also have our students with scheduled appointments. They will show the names of the students. And the last one is the feedback. This is counselor will receive the feedback after the sessions. Okay, that's all from us. So now log out. And now, in conclusion, the student counselor system offers a reliable database-driven solution to improve UITM student support services, particularly in the area of counseling and mental health. It simplifies how students book appointments, how counselors manage their schedules, and how feedback is collected, stored, and used to enhance service quality. And this digital approach reduces dependency on manual processes and supports better communication between students and counselors. Thank you, that's all from us.
This is a brief walkthrough of our student counselor system database implementation using PHP-MyAdmin. This system was developed for our database application development project. We create a student counselor system database that contains five main tables. This is student, counselor, appointment student, feedback student, and user. Next, this is entity relationship diagram for our student counselor system. So, firstly, I will show the structure table for student that contains student ID as primary key, name, matric number, gender, faculty, course, email, password, phone status, and registration date. For sample data for student table, this is sample data for our student table. Next, for counselor, this is structure table for counselor. Counselor ID as primary key, name, email as foreign key, phone specialization, department availability schedule, username, password, role, trade add, and update add. And this is sample data of counselor table. Next, this is structure table for appointment student that includes appointment ID as primary key, student ID as foreign key, counselor ID as foreign key, appointment date, appointment time, purpose, status, location, notes, trade add, and update add. This is sample data of appointment student. Next, this is structure table for feedback student that include feedback ID as primary key, student ID as foreign key, counselor ID as foreign key, appointment ID as foreign key, satisfaction rating, comments, suggestion, and trade add. And this is sample data of feedback student. Lastly, this is structure table for user that include ID as primary key, username as foreign key, password, name, role, and email, and trade add. And this is sample data of user table. So that is for our